Good morning. This is me again. I have not uploaded a video for my hand improvement for almost 6 months, so I just decided to upload a new video for those of you who need to see my latest situation. Okay, so I can just extend my hand like this. The movement, you can see, is much better than before. So you can see my fingers now. They are more straight than the last video. This is the thumbs up. And this is when I try to point. I used to have difficulty pointing at anything. And one more thing, I still have some problem with controlling my hand or grabbing some stuff, for example like my phone, using my phone. So I think I still have a lot of time to improve, but otherwise everything is fine. I still have some numbness in this area here. Otherwise everything is okay, but I still have some here, some weird sensation all over my hand. It never got back as used to be, so we'll see. Hope you guys get good improvement. Thanks.